9 American Muscle Cars of 90s. The muscle car, an emblematic American creation, has entranced generations worldwide with its mantra, "There's no replacement for displacement." Defined by potent, naturally aspirated V8 engines, true muscle cars evoke fervor among gearheads globally, despite attempts by other cultures to replicate them falling short. In the 1990s, a new breed emerged, diverging from the classic designs of the 1960s and 1970s. These models, while varied in design, consistently delivered robust horsepower and low-end torque, promising thrilling acceleration and dynamic driving experiences. So in this video, we'll tell you about the 9 American muscle cars of the 90s, so stay tuned till the end. But before starting, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And now, let's get started. 9. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. We can all agree that the horsepower from those V8s is a bit outdated by today's standards, but that's part of the appeal. The low growl of a V8, especially a low-revving one, is uniquely American and something to take pride in. These cars were also light. For instance, the 1995 Firebird Trans Am weighed just 3,468 pounds wet. Its small block V8 could handle that weight with ease. The 5.7-liter engine boasted 275 HP and 325 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Some argue the second-gen Firebird Trans Am better captures the essence of a true muscle car, requiring a deeper understanding of the vehicle's performance and capabilities. 8. Ford Thunderbird LX. The Ford Thunderbird, a 90s coupe with roots in the 50s and 60s, left an indelible mark on American culture and NASCAR history. Though stylish, its 90s V8 lacked power, producing only 44.5 horsepower per liter. Equipped with a 4.6-liter V8 engine delivering 205 HP and 280 lb-ft of torque, mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it achieved 18 mpg combined with a 0 to 60 mph time of 7.9 seconds and a top speed of 144 mph. Despite its performance shortcomings, its spacious interior and comfortable ride appealed to many. However, its interior lacked the expected luxury, though the reliable V8 engine found use in various Ford models. 7. Ford Mustang GT Coupe. The 4th-gen Mustang, in production from 1994 to 2004, sold over 1.5 million units in the U.S. It departed from the Fox body style for a more muscular look, shaping future designs. Powered by a 5.0-liter V8, though technically closer to 4.9 liters, it boasted 215 HP and 285 lb-ft of torque, with options for manual or automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Agile and affordable, at an original MSRP of $16,455, it represented the essence of muscle cars in the 1990s. Today's V8 Mustangs start at $47,015, marking a shift away from the era of simple, budget-friendly muscle cars. The traditional formula of big V8s in affordable rides seems nearly extinct. 6. Mercury Cougar. The Mercury Cougar epitomizes the 1990s coupe aesthetic, particularly evident in its 7th generation. Sporting 2 V8 engines and a V6 option, all paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, embodies the era's modest power-to-displacement ratios. Its unmistakable 90s coupe design, featuring slightly rounded lines akin to Mike Ehrmantraut's 1988 Chrysler Fifth Avenue from Breaking Bad, suggests it as a suitable choice for the show's character. The 7th-gen Cougar's specifications include a 4.6-liter and 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, each offering respective horsepower and torque outputs. With a near-vertical rear window and a front end boasting quintessentially 90s rounded shapes, it effectively modernized an 80s design. In side views, its 90s essence shines through. Overall, the 7th-gen Cougar successfully refreshed an outdated design, aligning with the aesthetic of its era. 5. Ford Mustang SVT Cobra. In 1993, Ford's SVT division introduced the Cobra, utilizing high-performance parts from Ford's GT40. The Cobra returned in 1994 with a 4th-gen redesign, boasting a power increase from its 302 cubic-inch engine. while torque remained unchanged. The 1994 SVT Cobra featured a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, delivering 240 HP and 285 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic transmission, owners enjoyed improved acceleration and a distinctive Cobra badge enhancing its exterior. This 90s muscle car offered potent performance at an affordable price, tuned not only for speed but also for better cornering and braking. Looking ahead, SVT began incorporating superchargers in the early 2000s, promising even more exhilarating results. 4. Chevrolet Impala SS. The Impala SS, born from the full-sized Chevy Caprice in 1994, epitomized the American sports sedan, boasting a sleek black exterior and the classic Chevy V8 engine. Its production spanned a brief period, selling 6,303 units for the inaugural year, followed by 21,434 in 1995, and a peak of 41,941 in 1996, as per GM Authority records. Under the hood, it packed a 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 delivering 260 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission, powering the rear wheels. The LT1 engine, shared with the base C4 Corvette, prioritized low-end power, offering peak torque at 3,200 revolutions per minute and peak horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute. 3. Ford Taurus SHO. Among the cars listed, this one's unique. It's front-wheel drive, unlike the rear-wheel drive norm. The third-gen Taurus, notably this SHO model, sported a distinct oval design compared to its predecessors. What set it apart was its compact V8, a product of collaboration with Yamaha. Here are the specs for the Ford Taurus SHO V8. A 3.4-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine with 235 HP and 230 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Despite comparable horsepower to its 90s competitors, its lower torque might have been a blessing, preventing excessive tire screeching from its front-wheel drivetrain during acceleration. 2. Buick Roadmaster. The Roadmaster LT1 V8, produced from 1994 to 1996, embodies the essence of American land yachts. Also offered as a station wagon, this 8th-gen Roadmaster marked the end of GM's body-on-frame passenger cars era, transitioning to unibody construction. The Buick Roadmaster LT1 boasted a 5.7-liter V8 engine generating 260 HP and 335 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, achieving 18 mpg combined fuel economy and accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in 7.9 seconds. Its design reflects the quintessential 90s American sedan style, with its muscle car identity rooted in the powerful V8 engine. Despite its historical significance dating back to the 1930s, Buick faces challenges in today's market. 1. Chevrolet Camaro. The third-gen Camaro straddled the 80s and 90s, divisive in its design but undeniably attention-grabbing. While some hailed its departure from past models, others weren't sold. Yet its sleek lines, devoid of modern frills, still commanded notice whether adored or scorned, especially in pristine condition. The V8 started modestly in '82 due to emissions constraints, but by '92, it roared with 245 horses and 345 pound-feet of torque. Transmission options evolved from a 4-speed manual 3-speed auto to a 5-speed manual 4-speed auto. Despite retaining its rear-wheel drive layout, fuel efficiency remained stable at 18 mpg. From a leisurely 9.0 second 0 to 60 mph time, it slashed to a spirited 6.3 seconds, cementing its legacy as a 90s muscle car icon. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.